No for them want test, but them can't test where God bless. Me know say them heartless, but me go and press regardless.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a eyebrow tutorial. I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my brows when I don't get my brows done and when I don't feel like plucking them or shaving them or waxing them by myself. But I've been so lackadaisical lately and I just did not feel like putting in the energy to pluck, shave, or wax my eyebrows these days. So I'm just gonna show you how I got these babies right here to look so fire on impossible brows, okay? So with no further ado, let's get into the video. Bye guys. Hi guys, I'm using my Edge Control Wax to lay down my brows. Glue, the stick glues would have been ideal in that situation, but I didn't have any at the moment, so that's just gonna have to do. Right after, I'm just gonna use some loose powder to set it in place so that it's not as sticky when I'm applying my concealer.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna.
So at this point, I'm supposed to be using my red corrector to correct the darkness of my brows, but I did not know where to find it, and it would take too long to look for it. So I'm just gonna use the red undertone shade in my Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour palette to attempt to get the same effect as if I was using my red corrector. But as you can see, it's not going that well, but you know, you guys get the gist.
Let you know, is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun.
So guys, do not come for me. I know I look crazy. I'll be using my LA Girl Pro concealers in Mahogany and Toast to mix them together and mute my brows. And guys, please keep in mind that my usual tools are the Elmer stick glue and the LA Girl Pro concealer red color corrector. So the outcome of my brows are definitely not what I'm used to, and this process is not what I'm used to either. So I'm probably going to do an updated version of this video.
Under your spotlight.
As y'all can see, I could have probably done without using my beauty sponge to blend that out, but now I'm going to be taking my Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner in Sapphire ink to do my brows along with my angled brush. But before that, I realized that I didn't set my brows with loose powder, so I'm doing that now, and then I'm gonna start on sculpting out my brows.
Like it's a vibe under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you. Chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Here is now where I take a small piece of toilet paper or napkin to squeeze my brush into a really thin line. Like, it needs to be completely pointy so that I can make small hair-like strokes at the front of my brow, and it can be precise and neat. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you guys can see like when I upload more. I'm really trying because all y'all know I cannot be consistent for shit, but I'm really trying though. So guys, turn on that notification bell. Hopefully I get it together and get my life together enough to where I can start posting every week for real. I'm so sorry guys, but yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. Okay, love you guys.